The crypto world is not all Lambos, rainbows, and unicorns. Yes, it's a world full of potential and opportunities where the smart and ambitious can make a ton of money from the comfort of their homes. But it's also no man's land. There's no central authority you can contact and ask to reverse transactions if you get hacked. There are no safety features or traders thinking about the well-being of others. I try to. Is it a race where the best win while those who are not ready fall to their doom? To survive and make the best out of such a world, you will need to be prepared for everything. This sounds like Mad Max. This is why in today's video, I'll be providing you with a list of some essential tools that every crypto trader should use. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the hardest working channel in cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and check the description for links you can use to connect with me and the Bit Squad. All right, guys, the first and most basic tool in your utility belt should be a cryptocurrency rankings and price tracking platform. There are several out there, with the most popular being CoinMarketCap or CMC, CoinGecko. Now, I have to tell you, I use both for my investments and video research. Each of them offers the same core functionality with some added benefits, so you can't go wrong with any of them. However, I consider CoinGecko to be a little bit of a better option for traders who are just dipping their toes into crypto. You see, while CMC has almost twice the visits in the last 6 months than CoinGecko has some features that I find super useful for newbies, especially its trust score. This is pretty much what it sounds like. It's a way for CoinGecko to evaluate how much an investor can trust an exchange or the availability of a trading pair. If you look up BitBoy, it's 100. By using different algorithms that use data on web traffic stats, order books, trading volume, trade frequency, liquidity, and others, it can determine how likely a trading pair is to have high, fair, or low liquidity. This is a super useful tool if you are looking at trading using a specific pair, but you're not sure of how much liquidity there is. A lack of liquidity for a specific pair means you got to go look around and waste time, which could possibly entail losses in the extra trades you're not able to complete. Another great use of the trust score is when it comes to ranking spot exchanges. As a trader, you will find yourself interested in investing in specific projects that are not listed in the most popular exchanges. This trust score will allow you to have a better idea of how trustworthy the exchange is when it comes to liquidity, security, and popularity. CoinGecko also offers some information that differs from that of CMC when looking at the information for a specific token, like trading volume to market capitalization ratio, which is useful to have an idea on how many traders are holding the coin. It also offers a voting option to evaluate investor sentiment toward the coin, trading view candlesticks, on-chain indicators, information on social network activity, GitHub integration, allowing you to see stats on the project's progress. You guys can read that. Also, a list of exchanges offering the coin and trading pairs. But one of the most important aspects is neutrality. You see, CoinMarketCap has been owned by Binance since April of 2020, which created a lot of discussion around its independence. Now, I don't think CMC is manipulating statistics for Binance in any way. As I said, I use CMC too. However, CoinGecko is pledged to remain independent and has already declined acquisition offers. To me, neutrality will always be a great thing. It is one of the core principles of crypto after all. Now, let's talk about charting. For this category, I'm going to go with TradingView, one of the most popular charting platforms out there. The platform allows you to visualize market data by creating charts to help you in the research and analysis that you need to possess when trading. It also includes social features that allow you to take advantage of charts from other investors, share your own, and interact with other people interested in the world of crypto, sharing the knowledge. Even after 8 years since its launch, the platform continues being one of the best and most popular options out there. I use it every day. Do you know what, though, is the best thing about it? They have a free version that is perfect for beginners to jump into the world of crypto.
It's free real estate.
Personally, find that visualizing data in my own way helps to notice market trends and information I might have missed when looking at the raw numbers. So I would totally recommend you try it if you are a visual person like me. Chances are that if you are just starting off in crypto, you don't have a lot of time to spend in front of your screen looking for the perfect moment to hit a trade. This is why automated trading is such a powerful tool. I find that 3 Commas offers a really good trading bot that allows you a high degree of customization when it comes to defining the investing parameters. While setting up a trading bot might seem intimidating at first, it's pretty easy to do so with 3 commas. The platform has different bots with different strategies, which allow beginners to quickly start using it and seasoned veterans to have a high degree of control over it. Now, this one is not free, as the different plans range between $15 and $50 at this time, but you get what you pay for. If you want to remove part of the complexity of trading due to not having much time or just improving the process, make sure to check out 3 commas or other trading bots out there.
And I, for one, welcome our new insect overlords.
The next category might be a bit controversial, as some might not consider it a trading tool. I'm talking about crypto debit cards, more specifically the Crypto.com Visa card. If you want to sign up for it and get $50 for free, you can do that by visiting mcocard.bitboy.live, even though MCO doesn't exist anymore. Now, is it a tool? Yeah, I think it is. I do think it's a trading tool, of course. You're trading crypto into fiat when you're using it and getting great benefits by doing so. Now, I'm not satisfied with using crypto only as a shiny thing to invest in, but I want to get value out of it. With a crypto debit card, you can pay for goods and services seamlessly without needing to sell crypto manually. The Crypto.com card also has added benefits like CRO rewards when spending, refunds when paying for services like Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and Expedia, airport lounge access, no ATM withdrawal fees, and if you ever become a crypto millionaire, you can even take advantage of their private jet partnership. I'll see you there. The only thing I have to complain about when it comes to Crypto.com is that there are no Lambo benefits, but you can buy it yourself once your portfolio moons. The last category I want to talk about is news aggregators. The value of cryptocurrencies is affected by public sentiment and world events. This is an absolute and undeniable truth. Finding concrete information on specific events or projects that you've added to your portfolio is not always easy, as there are so many news sources out there, including BitBoyCrypto.com. BitBoyCrypto.com has the latest crypto news for you to learn the status of the ecosystem and the latest events. You'll find information on all matters related to crypto and blockchain. What are you waiting for? Go to BitBoyCrypto.com and search. Wow, you skipped that fast. Anyway, you can use news aggregators to customize the topics you are interested in and aggregate news from different sources. This will allow you to find information relevant to the projects you are interested in and know all the latest events that could have an impact on it. Once you have all the information in a single place, it's just a matter of going through it. Crypto Panic offers a lot of great resources, customization options, and constant updates. It also has a media section where you can get information from influencers you trust. It also offers social features like voting and commenting on content. As with all platforms on this list, except for 3 commas, you can use Crypto Panic for free. But now it's your turn. Which alternatives to these tools do you know or use? What other types of tools should be available on every trader's utility belt? Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.